Realizing a dream is doing something for yourself. Realizing a dream is providing a service for the entire community. We were asked to take action. We have answered those who every day are in need of energy. We were asked to respect the environment. We acted promptly, winning all the challenges dictated by the speed of progress, a word we prefer to whisper as its meaning resides in our hearts. We don't like making choices with the levity of those pursuing a goal, but with the authenticity of those wishing a dream to come true. To us, future means highly specialized industry. Industry that through diversity nurtures its own spirit of research. We believe that everything is endowed with its own quality. Our profound respect for quality enables us to build, day by day, an industry made of differences, contributing all together to achieve the same objectives. We have understood before everyone else that our quest for perfection fills us with joy, yet always takes us back to the same truth. There is no such thing as perfection. Endlessly improvable imperfection is only achievable thanks to true commitment and effort. We were asked to think about the future. The future has thought about us first.